guys, welcome back to this channel. So today's video is going to be a short video. It's just going to be a Valentine's eye look. So first of all, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape in light medium honey, and I'm going to use this as a base all over my eyes. So yeah, with the applicator I'm just putting it all over my eyes, starting from underneath the brow and then putting it on the eye as well. So this will set my makeup. Just blending this out with a beauty blender. I have gone a little bit over my eyebrows as well because it helps when I fill it in. Now I'm using Benefit Brow and Morphe, this Morphe brow brush that I always use. I love this brush. And I'm literally just going to fill my eyebrows in like so. Yeah, I start from the bottom of my brow, working towards the top, but I only fill mine in naturally, just filling in the gaps really, as I've got a lot of hair in my eyebrows, and just doing the shape a bit. I'm just going to use a Tarte Shape Tape and a Morphe flat concealer brush just to clean up those eyebrows. So you need like a nice flat dense brush and it comes out easier, so you just go towards the eyebrow and that's it. And then same above. And obviously this just helps clean up any mess that you make, and it also makes them look sharper and cleaner. It's my best thing to do, cleaning up eyebrows with concealer. Just look at the difference. Oh god, it looks so much sharper already. So today for this Valentine's look, I thought I'd use the Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills because it's got all the colours that you want for like a Valentine's look. So your pinks and purples and yeah, exactly. So first I'm going to go in with the brush that it came with, the dual ended brush, and I'm going to go in with Incense, and I'm going to use that as a transition colour. So just in my crease, a bit above my crease. Just like that. So keep blending that in. Right, so with the same brush I'm now going to go in with the colour Love here. What a typical Valentine's colour, Love. And just going in my crease again with that colour. So this look is a natural Valentine's look, just for like date night. It's not overly dramatic. It would be an easy one to do. Nice for beginners, or like even just someone who just wants a nice natural simple Valentine's look that takes quick to do. So obviously keep blending. So start with less product and then get more and more. So that's the pink there. Obviously it don't matter if you make any fallout or any mess because we'll clean that up. So now I'm going to go in with the colour Wild Child just here with this side of the brush. And I'm literally just going to get that and put that here. Like that. Same on the other eye. So like that. I think use your finger better because you get it it blends more, you get more pigment on your finger as well with shimmers. So just like that. See the difference between using a brush and your fingers? I love using my my fingers for shimmers. You just get more out of it. So now I'm going to go in with the colour Dreamer, and I'm going to put that with my finger again at the front. So like I said, this is a quick, so this is a quick look for Valentine's Day. So that's the eyeshadow done on the top. Now I'm going to put some liner on. So yeah, we didn't put a lot of eyeshadow on because it is just a quick look for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to go in with my favourite Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I'm going to do a nice wing. So always start from the outer corner and do the wing up first, and then go back in. That is the easiest way I find to do it. And then stretch your eye a bit if it's easier and join it up. Just gonna close my eye like that. It's a lot harder to do on camera. So that's the eyes with the wing. So yeah, I'm quite liking this look. It's just natural. Only used 4 eyeshadows as well, and only 1 palette. So I'm quite proud of the look. This look. I'm gonna use mascara in this one and not lashes because obviously, like I said, natural, simple Valentine's look. So I'm gonna go in with Lancome Seals Booster Primer. If I can open it, and put that on first, so you get more out of your lashes. So just put a coat of that on. Now I'm using the Grandiose Lancome mascara. I love this one for, gives you that lovely volume and false lash effect as well. So this is the mascara I use when I don't put lashes on, because it gives you that nice volume anyway. And obviously the primer really helps. So that's the top lashes done, the top eyes. Now can you see how like curved they make it as well? This mascara, love it, absolutely love it. So now I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in medium just to conceal under my eyes. So yeah, like I was saying, you know, you guys know how much I love Tape Shape from my other videos. It's the best one to conceal, and it's the best one to hide my dark circles. I think especially for Asian skin, because we don't get like blue under the eyes, it's more brown. Well, I do anyway. And the Shape Tape, without even colour correcting, because I don't like colour correcting, I just don't think it works for me. I've tried so many colour correctors, it just never works for me under my eyes. Because obviously they say to use orange, but the orange don't conceal the brownness underneath my eyes, makes it look worse, I think. Well, that's my opinion anyway. But yeah, the Shape Tape literally just covers it so well. Yeah, just like that. Look at the magic. I look so dead before, now I actually look alive. So I'm going back in with the Norvina palette, and I'm just going to go in with this same brush. And first I'm going to put the colour Incense on, which was the transition colour. Just like that. Only a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with the colour Love, that pinky colour from the palette. So I'm following the steps that I did above to underneath. Right, so now I'm going to go in with the colour Wild Child with the brush this time. And I'm literally just going to put a little bit underneath. Same on other eye. Right, now I'm going to cover the Dreamer, and I'm just putting it here in the inner corner of the eye to make that pop. Now I'm just going to get the Grandiose mascara and put it on underneath on my lower lashes. So my mascara has gone underneath a bit. I hate when that happens. There. So now I'm going to finish off my face off camera, because obviously this is just a quick look. I just wanted to show you how I did my eyes, and then I'll show you the end results. So yeah, this is the finished look. I've got my foundation on. Just use a new Dior Forever matte one. That's literally just launched. And so yeah, finished it off. So yeah, this is the simple Valentine's look. I hope you like it. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and please comment below if you've got any criticisms, any feedback, any videos that you want me to do, any looks that you want me to do. Please let me know, and please let me know if you like this video. Obviously this is just a quick eye tutorial for Valentine's. And if you wanted me to do any other Valentine's looks, please let me know, because I'm going to do a few looks for that. Yeah, so